Back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Alright, hi guys, welcome back to Patois Chronicles. Well, go on. Yes, me have to upon that video because some big dog they on the road, them big you that think them a horse or you know a wolf, them they no dog, cause dog not so tall. Anybody don't know about dog? Tell me, dog not so tall. So here's a little bit about Jamaica, of course, the land of reggae music, man like Toots and Bob Marley, which you all on know, and Chronic's my favorite. So watch this entire video now. Boom. First panelist. Ask. Yeah. Ask her the question. Ask her the question now. You want to ask me? Myself ask her the question. Yeah, and them bag of thing and beer thing and thing and thing. So ask her the question. Yeah, ask. Ask. Open your mouth and talk and you can't get it. You can't just leave your mouth. Come on, man. Exercise the mouth. Ask her the question. Hear the rubbish truck. Ask her the question. So here in Jamaica, yes, you'll hear that. Ask her the question. You might say, oh my God, why are they speaking like that? Never mind, it's one language, Patois. Here in Jamaica, yeah, we know, and you want to say Jamaica, known for speak Patois, right? Otherwise known as Creole. And yes, I'm going to take a little time out for me slow. Alright, that don't know. Big up yourself, everybody, when I watch this. Ask her and then see the meaning we put all H upon the ask. You understand? Ask her the question. Ask her the question. Ask her the question.
Next panelist. Could they? You're the shit them all apart. Every time if you do one video shit dog, everybody decide to come out the place.
So, me serious now. I need to pause, man, and wait till I done do my video. Could they? You see that big bird there in the tree? Could they? That big bird there in the tree? And some places or somewhere you go in Jamaica, you will hear them exaggerate on this part here. I can't say it that much like them, but could they? You see the big bird in the tree? In the tree. Yes, me still I try to forget my Patois thing. Alright, me a Kingston and I just bash me so you try now. Could they? You see the big bird in the tree? Could they? You see the big bird in the tree? Is that song now? Could they? You see the big bird in the tree? I don't know if I see the bird, but may I ask? Say, come here in Jamaica and hear that one? Look at me now in English translation. Look at the big bird in the tree. Look up. I know you look up, you know. I know so you look up a while ago. I don't say but I know you look up on. You have tree in your house, so you look up in your roof. You're outside. But yes, alright, so look at the big bird in the tree. Look at the big bird in the tree. That's what it means. So in English, me I speak now, but just I translate the Patois. Alright? Next panelist. Boom. Alright. Bada. Him better than me. You all foolish as me I start. Him better than them. No better than me. What you talk about? Him better than them, but him no better than me. Better. Yeah, you try it now. No, that one is supposed to nice because yeah. Yeah, I'm not know if I can leave, but I'm gonna try it.
Bada. Him better than them, better than me. Yeah.
Oh, you get it now, alright? I'll come back. Yes, so bada. Him. So now in English translation, he's worse than they are. Don't bother me. So I never saw me get it, but if I saw, I just saw. Alright, so he's not bother. Alright, not bother.
1 hour later.
Next panelist. Uno can't come with me. Where me I go? Uno can't come with me. Uno can come with me. Or uno can't come with me. You can say uno can, which is C-A-H, or the can right there. So some of us will use the can in there. Because you have some Jamaican and mix up English language with the Patois thing, you see. And basically Patois is a mix of a one bag of language when you look up what is Patois here. African have a little bit of Swahili, a little bit of Spanish, all about Christopher Columbus and them people, they just come all about, and the Taiwanese, them just come left them little thing, and our ancestors just take it up and boom bang bang in a one language, alright? So see it here in an English translation, of course. You all can come with me now, of course. I'm invited, but how we are go? You must tell me how we are go.
Let me tell you where we are go. Yeah, go watch some of my videos, man. And watch out my members too. And that's how we are go. And you want to join my membership? Yeah, you can join it, you know. You never know. Yeah. Next on the list, see that tech. Take your time, my man, he broke. Take your time, my man, he broke.
Take your time and mine he broke. Alright? So take your time and mine he broke. Mine he broke. Take your time and mine he broke. You might say, Neisha, this sound like me I speak alien language. No, you're speaking Patois, Creole, Jamaican mother language you talk. I mean, I shot that. Yeah, so you're not speaking bad, not at all. It's part of our culture that is dying. You come here, say it, take your time and man, you drop me bag. Even if I say your sound, see it now in the English translation, take your time, you might break it, or take your time and I'm put down my bag. Thank you very much. Oh my God! Wow! So the Lord taught me a lesson this morning. I saw this lime on the tree and I pretty much wanted some lime tea, right? And so I saw this, so I said I just want 2 lime, one for me and one for Jessie, so Jessie and I can have some lime tea. I have lime juice, they are not the same. Just would say, Mommy, it's not the same, it don't taste the same. So I went in and I saw this. I only went for 2. I went in and I saw this and I couldn't reach it. But the Lord, He said, lengthen your horizon. Lengthen your horizon. You need to stop limit. You came for 2, that's a limitation. What container you come with this morning? And I said, Lord, I just want 2. He said, well, I have more than 2. I wasn't seeing any other lime at my length. He said, you need a longer stick. Glory to God. What are you using? What container do you bring before God? Are you giving God just a mediocre? You're just giving God a cup? Well, I have something for you this morning. He wants to give you a bowl, a barrel for some of you all. I went for this. Then I saw this further up. Couldn't reach it. He said, Neisha, let me your horizon. They're different size. Because in your blessing, when your basket comes along, they're different size. Everything will take growth. This one take pretty much a longer time on the tree than these. They're all precious. Count your blessings. Name them one by one. God bless you. I hope you guys was blessed by that there, God, He's awesome. He's amazing. I love Him and you don't know the thing set. God, to God be all the glory. He is the only wise God. Looking forward to see you guys in morning glory, and of course Thursday games night. And my members, please to check them out in the description box. And of course my daughter's channel coming soon, and Active Faith Ministries. Just be around with me now. Thank you for watching this video, and the word for today is love. Type it down in the chat if you watch this entire video. I'm looking out for the comments. Bye.